Have you ever wondered what a nice brick stairway or maybe a few columns would look like if they had calcium deposits from water or maybe some cement residue from a rock wall that someone had installed? Well, here's your perfect chance. Here's the opportunity to find out here because all of your answers are in this picture. The black arrows in the upper section of the picture are pointing to two brick columns that look like they're perfectly fine. I don't see any staining on them at all. However, the green arrows are pointing to the side of the brick columns where it looks like whoever built the river rock wall actually got a little concrete or cement residue on the brick columns there and never cleaned it off. So this could have been avoided by wrapping these columns with plastic or actually paying attention and making sure that nothing got on them. So again, that's a pretty clear picture, and you could, a good inspector would be able to see that where this came from because it's not on the other side of the column. If the staining was on the other side of the column, there could be a possibility that it was coming from somewhere else. So keep that in mind whenever you're inspecting any properties. Now I went ahead and I circled the residue that's on the stair steps there, and again you can just see the front of the bricks, and I would imagine the top's even worse than it is. And I don't have a picture of that, unfortunately, but there's a good chance that this is from hard water deposits. And what happens is the sprinklers are probably spraying the stairway constantly. So it's not on the other side, it's on this side. This could even tell us that the wind blows in the direction from right to left in the picture, and so when the sprinklers are on, the water's going and the wind's blowing and you've got plenty of water hitting the bricks. Now, what would be a simple solution for this? If you're not watering a lawn, then it wouldn't be a bad idea to install a drip system or some bubblers in the planters over there. And if you are watering a lawn, switch the time of day that you water the lawn. Sometimes the wind blows early in the morning, late in the afternoon, and by just switching the times you can get rid of the overspray. So keep that in mind, and again, now you got a pretty good idea what brick looks like. You want to get rid of the calcium deposits. You can always try using some brick cleaners, CLR, chemicals. I would suggest muriatic acid, but that would just be a suggestion only, and I don't recommend that, if you know what I mean. Okay, no liability issues here. So again, chemicals, cleaners, go to your local home improvement center and you should find something there.